Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will clear all doubts related to the EPFO, PF, EPS and all the terminologies related to Provident Fund. So, first of all, let's know about what is PF. So, PF is a Provident Fund number. When you first start your job, your employer will get you registered with the EPFO portal where you will get a unique number, and in from that number your pf amount that will be deducted from your salary will be credited to that particular number. So when you start your first employment, you will get a UAN number, and you will need to activate that UAN number. So the process for getting activated this UAN number is shown on the screen, that you have to go first on the APFO portal, then under employees we have the click on member and UAN online services. So let's go to the portal. So I have already clicked under services, I have already clicked employees, and when we click on employees, then under services we have different options. So I will click on the member UAN and online services. Here the portal is open for activating UAN. On the bottom right, we can see there are links like Activate UAN and many more. So we will just click on Activate UAN. Here you will need to enter the UAN number given by your employer, then the member ID, Aadhaar, name, date of birth and mobile number you need to enter. After that, you will fill in the captcha and click on the get authorization pin. After the authorization, your UAN will be activated. Now you have activated your UAN.